Hey, welcome to CryptoReality. Please be advised that I'm not a financial advisor and everything that I am saying here is just my opinion. And I just wanted it to share with you guys. So now let's talk about XRP US dollar, your weekly time frame. What are we going now? What are we experiencing now is just very interesting. It might go down and we enter the bear market, or are we gonna push back up and hit the new all-time highs in our price predictions? So now let's dive in. First of all, I want you to see this. We're still sitting around 2.42 US dollar. I've drawn this support line and goes back down. Let's go on with the shorter time frame first. Look at this 1 hour time frame. It broke our uptrend channel here. So as you can see here, we are now below this line. I don't know, I don't want to adjust this, but can maybe. Let's do this. Yeah, maybe we can draw it like that, but let's go on to the bearish case first. With this broken trend line and this pattern that I am seeing here, which is a head and shoulder pattern. Look at this. This is your right shoulder, this is your head, this is your left shoulder, and yeah, the measured move of it is this one, your 2.18. Maybe we could drop back down here, 2.18, or here 2.19. That's what I am thinking if we are going to continue to go down. Yeah, don't get me wrong about this, because we broken that. And also, if this is a bear flag, let me put aside the RSI. So this can be a bear flag. Yeah, there you go. So this is your pole. There you go. So I put it there, so you can get a price, and it could go lower at 2.36. But if you can see the bigger picture of this bear flag, and if we measure this, I'm sorry if this is your flag, or no, this one, should I say, if this is your flag, and we're gonna go back down here, we can also have this 2.30, or even here your week 2.3. We can have that. So I'm gonna remove this here. So if we're on a bullish side, we can adjust this drawing here. You see, it still aligns as the support. Okay, I want XRP to go up today, maybe like this, hitting this trend line. Oh, I'm sorry for those things. Hitting this trend line that we've drawn. Yeah, which is this one. Yeah, I want XRP to go up today, just like that, so we can invalidate these head and shoulder patterns, and so we don't need this one. That's all I want XRP to do now. Oh, don't forget, we have Fed rate cut, ETF news in the couple of weeks, maybe next week, today and next week, 18. Oh, this week, October 18. Is it this week or next week? Other way. That's what I am thinking in a shorter time frame here. So in your daily time frame, as you can see here, maybe adjusting this trend line is a good thing. It's perfectly aligned here now in your daily. Okay, let's go back to your weekly time frame. This is the interesting part that I am saying. So let's move this now for a bit. So as you can see, this double top, we drop, but everyone is liquidated, everyone is shocked. But is it? Look at the past here. After we pump here, you see this one, right? After we pump here, we crash down, so which will cause some of the panics, right? But let's measure that. From this top to this low, we're gonna get a 78% crush, right? Before we peak to the top. So this is due to the case of XRP. I don't know. That's why it didn't blow off top. And don't forget this historical 2017, 2018 pump. After this nice breakout, we dumped 63% from the top. Okay, that's a 63%. And then we pump again. Then after that pump, we crash again, about 68%. Okay, I think this pattern here is a combination of our chart today. Maybe we can say that we are here today, but the market cap is too high for us to go like this. And then we're going to pump again. So if we are here right now, we can experience this and another blow of top, right? But am I seeing that? Yeah, of course we can. And if that happens, expect a $50 to $100 XRP as the top of your market bull cycle, which will cause trillions of market cap, which I don't think a feasible thing right now. So let's go back to reality. As you can see here, this is a 63% drop, 68% drop before the blow off top. Don't get me wrong about this is based on the charts. So now I want you to look at this crash here. So from this top, we only dropped around 56%, 57%. It's about normal thing that XRP is doing while in the while in the bull market. Sorry for that. Then let's go back again for the measured move. If we are here today, I want to show you this one. I've already shown you this, right? There's Fibonacci retracements that we hit the 7 area as our top. Okay, but I want you to see this now. This Fibonacci extension from this low to its high, we hit this 618, the golden pocket, as your retracement level. Let's use another fibs here from this low to this top, and there you go. We bounce here at your 618 level multiple times before the blow off top. Okay, so now therefore we use the same Fibonacci from this top to this low. We're gonna get this $15 mark, right? Your 15.7 US dollar mark. So and then before that, look at this, from this low now to this top. As you can see, we bounce exactly at your 0.618. So XRP did the same thing in its past chart, in a past cycle. So there's nothing new here. There's nothing to panic. Everything is okay. But unless we break this yellow line here, this 50 moving average here, I want you to take a look closer for this one. If we break that, then it is confirmed that we're going to enter a bear market. And I hope not. And I hope not. You have to watch carefully here. You need to do your own research. And if you learned something here, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for me. And last thing, look at the RSI here. Look at your RSI. Right now we are still in an uptrend since May 2022. Your RSI bouncing here July 2024, and now I'm expecting XRP to go down here and then bounce up. Look at this 2021 here. Sure, from 2020 March we are bouncing here in an uptrend channel before the blow off top, right? And on your 2017 2018 blow off top from 2015 of November, December 2016, we bounce it October 2017 before the blow off top. So I don't know, it's the charts. Have a great day. Goodbye.